तुम दुआ को तलाक दे दो।
गजनवी मुझे तलाक नहीं देंगे।
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you will be fine. My name is Shiza Farooq. So guys, do not forget my YouTube channel, subscribe and press the bell icon and like this video. Okay, so guys, I hope you know watch this drama serial Jaan Nisar, and I will share with you Jaan Nisar drama episode 60. So guys, she went Kashmala, Nusherwan divorce dua. And guys, nothing impossible. Nusherwan will not divorce Dua because Nusherwan loves for Dua. And guys, means ke Kashmala she try and Nusherwan divorce Dua. Guys, Kashmala, she is very greedy girl and she is very dangerous girl in this drama, and she will try sometimes be very happy in the drama just